Are you anything like me? And you like to watch YouTubers like Peter Schreepel and Willie Mosman and all that shit? You're kind of retarded. We're gonna do that. We're gonna build stuff. This is fucking stupid. This is fucking dumb. Hi, I'm Quaid, aka Schlim, but my name is Quaid, so, hi. I'm a computer engineering student who's tired of doing math. Way too much fucking math. And I actually want to do some engineering projects that don't use that much math. So, I'm just gonna bumble my way around a bit to see if any of the dumb shit I make works. Over the past couple of weeks, I bought a 3D printer and modded the shit out of it. This is with a 3D printer. Look at that. It's printing. Also, I can start this project and make a boat. Specifically a boat, an RC version, using these parts. This boat. And I've been using these parts that I stole from an RC plane that I crashed a long ass time ago that's been sitting in my parents' basement. You're welcome, Mom. Getting my stuff out. Love you. You think that'll work? I don't know. But, whatever. It doesn't matter. So come join me while I waste my precious student loan debt money on dumb fun shit so I don't get the big sad. So first things first, I actually gotta download all these files and set them up in my slicer and make sure I even have enough filament to print them in the first place. I'm gonna do this by taking the computer's estimates and using its hard work as my own. Yeah, that's right. Get fucked, you amazingly powerful, endless expansive knowledge-making machine. Oh yeah. Oh, you're nothing without me. Nothing. Now, I'm gonna write down all these estimates and I'm gonna add them up like a big math boy. And, we've kind of hit an impasse. I've just done the calculations for exactly how much filament we're going to need, plus a little bit extra, because I'm going to need to level the bed every now and then. And it's, more than I have. And I'm already broke. So fuck. There is another model I could give a try. But it might not work nearly as well because it hasn't been tested at all. But I am retarded. So fuck that model. We're going with this model because it's smaller, it's the original, and it's less expensive. No offense to the creator of the original model that I was going to use. I'm just poor, and maybe I'll revisit it later when I have money. So, after doing all the Kira stuff and fixing some errors of this model and doing the math, it comes down to around 418 grams or 0.42 kilograms, which is totally doable for the 1 kilogram spool that I have. The only problem is it's completely untested. But, hey, whatever. I don't care. I don't fucking care. I'm gonna do it anyways. Why? Why am I gonna do it anyways? Because I'm stupid. So, let's go. Okay, so now that everything is said and done, we're ready for the printer, which this whole time is making a little Benji with my new filament that I got specifically for this project. Now, being dumb, I decided to use PETG for this, because PETG is stronger, so it must be good, right? Wrong. I literally learned a little bit ago, because I'm brand new to this stuff, that PETG is actually weaker than regular PLA typically, and it's pretty shitty in water. So, I'm going to be using that to make a boat, obviously, because that makes completely sense. It makes complete sense. I'm not freaking out. Fuck it. You know, fuck it. I got this acrylic paint, so hopefully that stops it. Stops the problems along with this Flex Seal that I have, because you know, I mean, it's a boat. The Flex Seal is the best tool. You seal away water. I mean, you gotta have Flex Seal. I mean, come on. You just gotta have fucking Flex Seal. What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, so I'm gonna record the print, but like I said, I don't have money, and this camera dies in like 20 minutes, so, and I can't just keep it running. I don't have anything to do that, so, I need to, find a way to prop up my webcam. So I'm gonna use this chair, yeah, and, hopefully that works. Enjoy the print time lapse. Alright, so now that we got those all printed, they're actually all looking pretty good. The front, like the bow, is a little bit warped, but I do have a bit of a warped bed, so that's not a big deal. I could have fixed this by reprinting it and just flipping it upside down, doing different... It doesn't matter, it doesn't matter. Everything should be fine, everything just needs to be sanded down so my paint will actually stick to it and I can glue them together, because PETG also doesn't like to be painted or glued. So, I should have chosen a different material. It's probably not the best one, but, you know, it doesn't really matter too much. You can kind of see the quality, you know, I'll go through it, but I don't want to show me printing out the rest of the stuff. I'm just going to show you the main body, because I don't want this video being 20 minutes long of just fucking printing time-lapse. So, yeah, without further ado, I'm going to sand it and get it painted, and everything's going to start looking like an actual boat, hopefully. So, oh! Are you recording?
Yeah.
Alright, welcome to coldest bitch place. It's literally snowing out. Fucking almost midnight. But we're gonna do this anyways. I got the Flex Seal, bro. You can waterproof this bitch. Oh, fuck. Okay. Got good sealing in there. I gotta make sure to get all of it.
I smell it.
Yeah, it's strong. Don't huff this shit. You'll get super high, and it would be really cool, but don't do it. Understand me?
What?
What? I think I used way too much, but fuck it. I bought this whole can for this project. I'm using this whole can for this project. Okay, that's a lot. It'll be fine. Non-fitting t-shirts here. Today we're gonna be getting this thing ready for more painting. That's really all I got. We're just gonna do the base, like the gray coat today, because the waterproofing shit is basically up to par with how dry it needs to be, at least for me to start painting this other stuff. I'm tired of shit. What's up? Hard nipples here. We're painting the other side of it. It's gonna get base coat of gray because we need to. This side here. Oh yeah, we going for it. Holy fuck, it's been snowing all night.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's kind of fucking caked on there, but that'll work. Let's get inside. Painted gray, so now we're gonna paint it the bottom red. Okay, so
I have a question. Will you mute the audio not?
no,
Oh, really?
not really planning on it right now.
Oh, okay, sorry.
It's okay. You ain't a professional. It's understandable. Got this side ready. Now time to shake the fuck out of this. I already did that joke, didn't I?
Yeah.
Okay, what's up, cold retard here? Fucking hell. Let's get this over with
It's snowing more.
quick. Yes, it is. It literally is. Which, yeah, he's going Bucky. Okay, so I'm just gonna do this. I'm just give it some spritzes. Just doing the bottom part. There we go. There we go.
So, just a little bit of paint came off there. I could just do a little small touch up there, but it's dry enough that I can actually handle it now. It's still gonna cure for a while. But now this thing should be fully painted, and it just needs to dry and cure. You know, moment of truth time. Make sure this paint didn't seep it down, which I don't think it really did. If it did, it's fine.
It's fine.
Yeah, but it should be pretty good right now. There we go. So here we go. This is just a nice, satisfying line.
I want to fart.
Oh.
I want to shit actually.
Oh. Okay. There we go. That's that side there. It's a little rough at places, but I actually kind of like that.
Let me
It's
see.
fine. It's like just like a little.
Ah, it's fine.
Okay, now for the other side. Should just be one long piece. Hopefully everything here should be fine. Yeah, this side.
Your
looks
hand
good.
covered the bolt.
There we go. Boop. That's that.
Alright, so now that we got the thing looking all nice and purty, the only thing left really now is to actually start putting in the electronics. I actually had a little bit of a failure here multiple times. I thought that the electronics that I did have and was originally going to put in were too big. So I actually went out and bought a shitty boat from Walmart, disassembled it, only to realize that those ones are even bigger, and it will not work. And I tried some shit, it didn't work. But anyways, I ended up putting the original electronics that I showed at the beginning of the video in. And that's just here's the footage of that, I guess, of me just putting in the electronics. There's kind of just basic stuff to it. It's just a like I said, I stole it from an RC plane, a Super Cub from Hobby Zone, I think, something like that. But the ESC is just a pretty basic thing. It's got no reverse. It's just a big fucking motor to generate lift, so I can't even put the thing on full speed or else this boat will capsize, because it's just a lot of torque. I mentioned that a lot, but yeah, that's just all we're doing right now is just putting in stuff.
I made it on my own. No stay, it's never simply one. I'm on my way to build on where I'm from. I've got no lies, I made it on my own. Spend my time up in the sky, planes passing by, I'm on my own way. Taking my ride, I'm so high, nothing inside me now. I'm soaring free, can't tell me I ain't earned it. Work my way up, down from the floor. Now I got a taste, moving on post haste, always craving for a little bit more. For a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Give me a little bit more.
Okay. So here we are in the moment of truth. We got this all wired up with just the motor. I guess it's not quite the moment of truth because the rudder is actually printing right now. So I'm just gonna kind of put that there and hope it doesn't fuck everything up. But we need to get this paired. So okay, so we have power very clearly because the motor went. So, but I don't see the LED indicator. Let's try this again. Holy fucking shit, boys. We did it. We figured it out. It took me a whole ass day. And in the end, it literally was just me using less hot glue. I took the whole ass ESC out and I just used less glue. That was it. I did nothing else. Oh, is this not even recording? Okay, that's not even recording. Now it is. I did nothing else but just take out the ESC and glue it in with less glue. And it just started working again. So when I said a little bit of hot glue didn't hurt no one, that was a fucking lie. Okay, so see, we got the red light on, means everything's all good. This thing's working. Pardon the mess, I'm a slob. Babe, can you do me a favor and bring me my controller, but don't touch it?
Oh my god. Okay.
You can hear the servo's going crazy. I haven't hooked up the servo yet, but I do have something ready. The black mark is a little bit of a
That is so messy.
thing. It is. Okay, so I'm putting this down here real quick. Okay, we got this, the old DX4E. Okay, so
Moment of truth time, I guess, is just to put this in the fucking tub. Put it in the water. Hopefully it doesn't capsize on me. Ooh, actually pretty balanced. Okay. Oh, the thrust is backwards. Oh, fuck, I'm an idiot. Ah, shit, I need to fix that. Oh. Fill the water. Okay, so I sunk the thing immediately. It should be okay. Yeah, like I said, all of it's waterproof. Fuck, I gotta switch the thrust. How can I do that easily? Alright, simple fix. Dried it out a little bit, doesn't really matter. Stuff's pretty fucking good. But anyways, so I had this set up. The motor came undone, probably because I was using rubbing alcohol to get it out of the... Anyway, that doesn't matter. I had this set up so it was going in reverse thrust, pretty easy fix. I just ended up taking these two out and reversing the polarity. So I went black to red, or red to black and black to red on the motor. So that should have done it and reversed the polarity. It was spinning this way, which is giving me reverse thrust. I wasn't really thinking about it whenever that happened. But it should be, yeah, it's all good. If you look at it now, it's actually spinning the other way. See, you can see where it like torques to. So it's all good. Yeah, good shit. Alright, so at this point, everything is ready, everything is done, the boat is actually working, I fixed the motor, it's going straight, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and test it. I'm gonna put the decoration part that I was working on, you may have seen it in the background of the last clip, but it's a little decorative part that goes on the top, just a little cap. I'm gonna hot glue the area around it to kind of try and make a water sealant thing. It didn't really work very well, but you know, everything else is ready. It's ready for its maiden voyage, its first test. Yeah. Pretty cool. Fucking water here. If I fucking, oh my god. If I can get it without submerging it. Okay, here, I'm just gonna move this stick. Fucking hell, I keep doing that. I need to just not. Alright, let me use this. Move the reeds. Set it down. There we go. There we go. Set. The fucking CL55 to Cleveland. Let's see how it goes. Oh, that fucked up immediately. And it's gone.
And you're done, yep.
It's fucking gone! No! No! Fuck! Yeah, that didn't really go according to plan. And I knew that was gonna be a problem from the beginning. I'll go over that a little more here later. Really, there's not much I could do at this point here other than just keep on trying it, which, you know, you'll see the footage here of me just trying it over and over again. I found the stick that I promptly named the Retrievo stick, and that thing was the savior of this whole operation. Probably the best fucking thing to come out of this whole video, honestly, was that stick that just had two little prongs on it. It saved my ass. Well, I mean, you'll see how many times. I just kept sinking this fucking thing and I kept trying it. The literal definition of insanity, by the way. Trying the same thing over and over again, but expecting different results without altering a single thing of it. But, you know, maybe it's just, maybe I just fucked up. Yeah, it didn't work out very well. But I have a plan for that. Okay, here's my jank-ass solution. It's the fucking pontoons. We got a winter storm coming tomorrow, so I kind of rushed it. So at least the outsides are painted nice. I tested it, should be fine. This is a big fucking gap because I rushed this shit, but it should work. If it doesn't, it doesn't. I'm kind of done with this shit. So we're just gonna set her in the water. Hope everything goes all right. The water's kind of nasty. I don't know if you want to we'll do our darndest to keep this thing afloat and working, but I don't know. Odds are,
It's very windy.
Who cares? It is very windy. Water's kind of choppy, not gonna lie. Which, this is not the ideal situation. But don't look at my ass. I know you're looking. Don't look at my ass. Okay. Yeah, water's choppy a little bit. Okay, there we go. And here we go. Yes! Yeah, baby! It can turn in a circle in only one direction.
Really? You can't.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
it's not gonna stick. And it sunk.
Yeah.
That's okay. That's okay. It's buoyant now.
Kind
So
of.
it shouldn't.
I think it's actively sinking.
It is actively sinking. It'd be nice to have the GoPro on there. That'd be a cool view. Where did my Retrievo stick go from months ago? Not months, weeks.
Weak. It's bubbling.
Look at that. That's so cool. All right. Admittedly, not the best working boat, but it fucking worked. It worked. It did a circle. It actually went around. It hit a stick, and then it sunk. It only sunk after it hit something like the Titanic. Thus, I'm dubbing it unsinkable, unless something happened that was unthinkable. See what I did there? I'm sorry. Anyways, it worked, but not well at all. I will by no means count this as a complete success, but it wasn't a complete failure, which is honestly better than what I was expecting when I first started this project. So, you know, here, I've got some more footage of it just sinking more, because after this, it didn't want to cooperate anymore. I'm pretty sure I fried my servo, and if it didn't fry, it at the very least came undone at some point during this, because when I was taking it apart when I got back, the servo was just wiggling around in there. It wasn't doing shit, and it wouldn't work anymore when I was trying it out there. But everything else is still working. I might revisit this project here later. I might do the better one, like I said, once I have more money. It would be better to print out the bigger one because of the problems that I talked about. Speaking of those problems, let's talk about this now. Alright, so like I said, I knew about these problems. I knew that this was going to happen from the very beginning. How, you might ask? Well, do you remember when I actually switched to this untested version? Well, it's not entirely untested. Parts of it were, specifically the rear end that had the actual RC parts like kind of already inlaid and designed into it. But someone had actually already tested the boat itself, and they found, well, right here in the clip, you can see that they made their findings, and the one that made the bigger boat had found that out. He knew what was wrong with it. He knew what needed to be fixed, but out of necessity and budgetary problems, you know, I had to do what I had to do. So even though I knew that this wouldn't work, I tried my best to make it work. And I can say that I'm pretty happy with it. So how much did everything cost here? Well, truth be told, as I'm recording this voiceover, I don't know. So I'm going to put it on the screen. Wow. Whoa. No way. Wow, I'm broke. That's a lot of cash. No, but actually, at no point did I feel like threatened, or did I feel like threatened? I don't know. Did I feel like I was going to go homeless after doing this project? So it really didn't cost too much from what I know right now. But you know, the numbers on the screen right now don't lie. But that's going to be it for this video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed it. It's new. It's different from what I normally do. As I do this outro, there's a little bit of drone footage from this $15 drone that I bought on eBay. It's really shitty, but you know. I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you like more, let me know. I'm gonna put a link to my Patreon down because I made a Patreon. I'm down there, and if you want to support another project, see something like this, let me know. But yeah, you guys have a good one. Thanks for watching. Bye. This is the best invention to come out of all of this. Retrievo stick V2.0. Didn't work as well as V1.0, but. I can put you. Thank you, Retrievo stick. I love you.